That's actually really good. I like it.
That is nice.
Right?
Hey, Visit Soul TV. I'm Xander.
And I'm Happy.
And we are
We Fancy.
And we're back again for another $29.99 Soul Cooking Edition.
And today we are going to be cooking something super easy.
Super easy.
Very few ingredients.
Yes, we love it. We
just-
love a simple recipe.
We do, don't we? It just takes a little bit of time to actually cook,
Yes.
but it's very easy.
I'm okay with that. I
Yeah.
can wait.
We are making 돼지 kimchi jjim today. Braised pork cabbage rolls. These are the ingredients you'll need.
Whole kimchi.
Pork belly,
Shiitake mushrooms.
1 large onion, sesame oil,
Red pepper paste.
ground black pepper.
And 1 cup of water.
You'll notice that there's no salt in this recipe. Aside from pepper, everything else is in the kimchi. All the seasoning, all the flavor, so you don't have to worry about salt. The mushrooms are optional. You don't have to have them in there, but Happy loves mushrooms.
The original recipe has gochujang in it, but we're gonna make 2 versions, one with gochujang and one without, so it's less spicy. So, if you're ready and you have everything in front of you and you want to cook along with us, let's get cooking.
Make sure your samgyeopsal doesn't have any bones in them.
Finely slice your shiitake mushrooms.
Thinly slice 1 large onion.
Unfold 2 or 3 large leaves of kimchi and place 1 strip of samgyeopsal in the center.
You may now add your thin slices of shiitake mushroom along the samgyeopsal. Roll the kimchi wrap tightly.
If there is leftover leaf on the sides of the roll, tuck them in to secure the roll.
Place your sliced onions in the pan.
Then lay your kimchi pork wraps on the onions.
Spread red pepper paste on top of the wraps.
Otherwise, pour sesame oil on top of everything and then grind some black pepper all over your wraps.
Add 1 cup of water and put the lid on your pan.
Turn on the heat to medium-high and cook for 10 minutes.
After 10 minutes, turn the heat down to medium-low and cook for another 30 minutes.
If it looks like there isn't enough liquid, add another cup of water.
After 30 minutes, lift your lid and baste your wraps with the thickened broth.
Once you're done basting, cover the lid again and cook for another 20 minutes.
Again, if there isn't enough water in the pan, add more.
After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and serve with some steamed rice. 1 hour later! Yay!
Et voila! This looks like a very traditional meal. So this is the one
Yeah.
with mushrooms inside and no gochujang on the outside. It smells good though.
The struggle is falling apart.
Mmm, that's actually really good. I like it.
That is nice. The kimchi is
With-
nice. It's
and-
not overpowering.
Without the gochujang already, it's still a little bit, it's got that spiciness to it.
Okay, so
try it.
gochujang.
No mushrooms.
Kind of looks like a bread roll of some kind, or like a dessert roll.
Mmm, this one is saltier, probably because of the gochujang. Mmm, this one absolutely needs rice. The first one doesn't really need the rice. I think it was pretty salty, this one.
Woo! It's only a little bit spicier than the other one.
Yeah. Because we don't actually know what it's supposed to taste like, I
can't
think it's a
try
great
it.
success.
We did really well.
Another success, which is
Basically-
incredible.
Let us know in the comments if you've heard of this dish before. And if you cooked it along with us, did you do a good job?
Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more of these videos. We have a playlist. Visit Soul TV, $29.99 Soul.
Like the video, and as always,
Stay fancy.